Today's video is about the Monday Market Minute series that I've been doing for almost 2 years now. My plan is that by the end of 2024, I will sunset this series. All of the videos, there are more than 100 of them, will remain on YouTube in a special series called Monday Market Series. And I'll put a link to that in the description below. I've really enjoyed doing the Monday Market Minute. It's been challenging for me at times, fitting it into my schedule and making videos with important information that in just 60 seconds I've conveyed an important subject. And I think that in some ways I have shortchanged my viewers. So my goal, after I sunset this, my goal is to create longer videos that go more in depth on the different subjects related to real estate. So have no fear, they're all here, and I'm still here, and my videos will continue. It's just going to be in a different way. Hey, remember to like my video, subscribe to my channel. I'll see you again next week. Thanks.